Hi everyone. Do you know Excel has a take function which can help you in extracting top n or the bottom n values from a particular data set? Let's look at how to use it. So this is my table from which probably I want to extract the top 5 rows of data. So let's look at a simple way. How are we going to use it? We're going to type in is equal to take and it's going to ask us for the array. This is my array that I want to select. That's my table 1. And how many rows I want to see? Right now I want to see the top 5 rows of data. So I close it and I am able to look at the data. Now what if I want the data to be seen of the top 5 rows basis the yearly package, which means the topmost pay packages, the top 5 most pay packages is what I want to see in this table. So let's go ahead and refine this data. Let's go and look at how can we rewrite this formula. So we already have our array. What we need to do is just sort our array. So I'm going to type in sort, open the parenthesis. Now table 1 becomes my array for the sort. How do I want to sort it? Is basis my yearly package column, which is my column number 4. So that's what I'm going to write over here, column 4. Now in which fashion do I want it to be sorted, ascending or descending? Right now it has to be descending. So -1, close the parenthesis, and now let's hit enter. You see the results have changed and it is showing you the yearly packages, which is like at the topmost level. It's starting from that fashion. So take function is quite effective, quite useful if you want to extract your data. Maybe you want to sort that, you want to combine it with other functions. It's going to be extremely handy for you guys. Go ahead, give it a try. In case you face any issues, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment box. I'm going to be responding to them. And please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.